Leash Canine Training here. I have a Cosmo here with me. He is a 2-year-old Maltipoo. He just got dropped off to our 14-day board and train program. Primary issue for coming to training is aggression. He just bit a little girl who was trying to pet him. He's increasingly aggressive towards dad, especially if they're trying to take something away from him or kind of making him get off the bed or do something he doesn't want to do. Other than that, he barks constantly, doesn't really come when called. He has had some training, but Mom says they haven't really been consistent with it. So let's see what we can get Cosmo to do today. Cosmo, come. Hi, come. Come. Let's hug. Oh, hi. Come. Come here. Can you sit? Alright, let's check him out on a walk. Alright guys, this is what Cosmo looks like on day 1. Stay tuned to see his progress over the next 2 weeks.